Well, hey guys, we are here at Ready, and today is a special day. We are going to do a ribbon cutting ceremony with the Chamber of Commerce in our community. We are celebrating us officially being in our new location and the remodeling being done. You guys have seen the updates. If you haven't seen those, go back and look at those videos. We had a lot of work to do to get this place changed over where we could have a really good presentable place. But you know what? The building's not the only thing that we're concerned about. It's really the team and it's the community we're in, and that's why we're here and that's what we're celebrating. So track along with us and enjoy the festivity.
Matt and Jesse, thank you for having us here today. My name is Scott Steinmetz. I'm a community program manager for Microsoft, but today I have the good fortune of representing the Fargo-Moorhead West Fargo Chamber of Commerce as the ambassadors. Usually there'd be a really big group of us, but it's a cold day in Fargo, so we're doing it inside today. It's a little smaller group. Today we're going to have the captains here today for the ribbon cutting for Ready in your great new location. Due to your expansion, we're really pleased to have you as a part of the chamber. Awesome. So I'll turn it over to you if you want to give a few words on why you chose this location and what your company's all about.
Sounds good. So we chose this location kind of as not a decision of, oh, we could pick anywhere we wanted to go, but it was really an opportunity. And I think life is a lot about opportunity, right? We've obviously have a direction and a plan. We think we know where we're going, but then things present themselves. It could be challenges, it could be opportunities. And that a lot of times, if you ever look back at your life, is how you find your path. And this was one of those opportunities that came as a result of having a challenge of not having enough space. We were in a location in West Fargo, and the reality was we were trying to fit 10 gallons in a 5-gallon pail, and there wasn't enough room. We were stacking high, we had containers, we had crates, semi-trailers, and it was so much time and energy just to operate out of that location, and there was no room for expansion there. And so thankfully, a person on our board of advisors, Howard Dahl, actually had this opportunity for this building to become available. They were renting it at the time, and they were downsizing at the time, Amity Technology, and they said, hey, what if we went in on this together and got the building, and then our company shared it? Because we needed a lot of office, they didn't need any, and then we needed some warehouse, they needed the rest of it for their part storage. And so we're like, yeah, let's do it. This would be a great expansion. We're already finding out that we're out of space, but that's a new problem. That's a new challenge we have that is gonna have to be resolved. And we're hoping an opportunity will present itself that could be in the form of a building expansion to meet the needs of both companies in the building, Amity Technology and Ready. But we are certainly excited to be here. And I also would like to thank my brother, Jesse, who joined in many years ago.
So you can choose to use this or not, but...
You just interrupted it.
The timetable to get in this building, this happened really fast. And all of a sudden it was like, hey, this building opportunity is available and there's some incentive programs, but you better apply right now, right? And we had to put in how many employees we thought we were gonna hire by moving over here, and it was hard to put like 4. I'm like, oh, I think we could do 4, and you had to put all these details in. I remember doing it at midnight one night, the night before, and here we are. Grown a lot, and we're really excited to be here and have this opportunity.
And when we got in here, the office was obviously very outdated, and lights were flickering, it smelled bad, the AC didn't work, and nobody wanted to work here. At least they wouldn't have wanted to work here long term. So our team has been very gracious on putting up with the mess. It's taken about a year and a half, and this has all come to completion for the most part, and we are officially here and ready to operate as a full team, and we are adding people all the time. If you don't have the space for your team, for your products, and your equipment, whatever, like that's really important to not have that limiting factor. So we're going to deal with that later, but let's celebrate being in here and being able to grow.
It's a little weird. On the count of 3, we'll let you cut.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we did it! We did it!
Oh, there you go.
Sure, cut it in half.
We like to play with, yeah, we like to play with knives.
You get the longer piece.
All right.
Congrats, you guys.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Good job, team.
There you go.
All right. Look at that. We're official. We're officially moved in.